This is a 1967 Amphicar, built in Germany with a British Triumph Herald engine. It was both boat and car. I videoed a couple of these before, but here's one that was for sale. They were quite pricey when new. The price was $3,395 at the port of entry back in the day. And as you see, it was for sale, at least for $69,000. A four-cylinder engine, cast iron block and head, 70 cubic inches. And for the boat part, it had twin screws in the back. The front wheels acted as a kind of rudder for steering purposes. 4-speed manual transmission. About 800 were built, and about 600 of those came to the United States. The Achilles heel of the car was its tendency to rust. And of course, being exposed to salt water would make it even more so. Engine, of course, is in the rear. And it certainly was a novelty, and I continue to see them here. They're fairly common. And of course, Florida is a great place to have them because of all the lakes that are available besides the Gulf and the Atlantic. But these are really lake cars, not for the ocean.